Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this snow globe lantern in the Fish It Christmas update. So this isn't just a regular light, it's a limited edition item that looks amazing while you're knife fishing on Christmas Island. So if you want to know how to get it, just follow my steps in here. So if you got any presents box, whether it's rare present, uncommon, common, or epic presents, you can just go to the gift factory, and in here you can just exchange them with the rewards. So I actually got the lantern here by exchanging the rare presents with the Santa. So after that, you can just equip the skin and you'll get the snow globe lantern. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.